Contribution of soil microorganisms in upkeeping soil health. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Soil is a finite and non-renewable natural resource and is a beautiful gift of nature to humankind. However, soil health deterioration is a great concern for human, animal, and plant health today. Air, groundwater, and surface water consumed by humans can be polluted by mismanaged and contaminated soil. Adverse impacts of intensive agriculture include loss of biodiversity, nitrogen discharges into surface and groundwater, eutrophication of surface water, contamination of groundwater from pesticides and nitrate, and ammonia volatilization due to indiscriminate use of manure and fertilizers. Therefore, soil protection is a high priority, and a thorough understanding of ecosystem processes is critical in ensuring that soil remains healthy. Soil health is defined as the continued capacity of soil to function as a vital living system within the ecosystem and land use boundaries to sustain biological productivity, promote the quality of air and water environments, and maintain plant, animal, and human health. The biological components consisting mainly of soil microorganisms can make up only a very small fraction of topsoil volume. However, soil microorganisms play a major role in nutrient, N, P, S, cycling and decomposition of organic matter. Thus, healthy soil can be identified by measuring soil microbial population dynamics. The changes in microbial populations and their activities in various soil conditions are excellent indicators of change in soil health. The bioavailability of chemicals is also an essential issue for soil health. The impact of such substances on soil health is dependent on microbial activities. This paper will discuss the role of soil microorganisms in maintaining and sustaining soil health in this paper. Introduction. Soil is a critical resource for agriculture, supporting plant growth, maintaining environmental quality, and sustaining life. However, high-input farming practices can damage soil's physical, chemical, and biological properties, leading to a decline in crop productivity and soil fertility, especially in intensively farmed areas. Soil degradation, driven by various stresses, is a major challenge for sustainable farming. Soil health, which refers to the ability of soil to support life and maintain its functions, is essential for overcoming these challenges. It involves the balance of physical, chemical, and biological processes, with microorganisms playing a crucial role in nutrient cycling and organic matter decomposition. Despite making up only a small part of soil, microorganisms significantly influence soil health, and changes in their populations can indicate shifts in soil quality. The availability of essential nutrients in the soil is also closely linked to microbial activity, further emphasizing the importance of maintaining a healthy microbial community. Understanding and protecting soil health is vital for sustainable land management, ensuring that soil remains a productive and healthy resource for future generations. Conclusion. Soil is a vital, non-renewable resource essential for human, animal, and plant life. Protecting soil health is crucial, as it plays a key role in maintaining the environment. Tiny microorganisms in the soil, though small in size, are critical for breaking down organic matter, recycling nutrients, and maintaining soil structure. These microorganisms can adapt to changes like drought or contamination and respond quickly to soil management practices. The health of soil can be monitored by observing microbial populations and their activities, which serve as indicators of soil quality. Chemical availability in the soil is also closely linked to microbial actions. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.